Subject, Young Star. Dahong Young Star na ito na promo-project na sosyal girl, maski hindi naman kailangan.
Ay, Shalanes!
In fairness kay young actress, kahit baguhan pa lang siya, mabenta ito. Kaya naman dikit-dikit ang racket niya. At truly ling kalimitan, di na kaya ng sked niyang umuwi ng balur niya para mag-ikfani.
Dictionary, eklefani, to make borlog, tolog, meme, eslip, eklefani, bow.
So where siya Eklefani?
Oh, we checked in Shalanes Hotel.
Bugation, what name of hotel?
Dito na lumabas ang storytelling alay ng Young Star.
I don't know Shalanes Hotel eh. Usually kasi I already Eklefani, so I don't see name song of Shalanes Hotel.
Kaso, may nakatsyempo sa kanila. Minsan na nagche-check-in. Hindi sa bonggang hotel, kundi sa Chepangang tabi-tabi somewhere motel at gising na gising si Young Star habang nagche-check-in.
Ay! Bokelia Vice.
Dahong pa-hotel-hotel ko nung Young Star. You can play with her if you're still a young girl. Pwede rin kung pa-girl at super shogo namin siya sa name song na Perji Burlaza. Yun na!
Ano naman?
Astig goes to the 2010 Star Awards for TV4.
The Big Bang Society!
Wagi na naman ang mga kapuso sa Star Awards headed by our very own Tito Joey De Leon as Best Male TV Host.
Kaya nakapalit ng Let Us Entertain You. Pagdating ng panahon, let us eat you. Okay, salamat sa inyong lahat at iwan na ako eh. Okay, Joe. Salamat sa inyong lahat at PFAC and the Star Wars.
At ito pa ang ibang wagi.
In fairness, sa Star Wars, tama mo ang effort to have everyone dress up for the occasion.
Dress up pero hindi color up. Dahil for the most part, black, black, and more black ang suot ng mga artista.
So, fashionistas, take note. For late 2010, black is the new black.
At ang best example niya is Maricel Soriano in a stark black dress with false mini cape.
And Roderick Paulete on the side.
And the crown of the entourage, new MTRCB chair, Grace Paul Manzares.
Is the show slowly making a comeback? Miss Cool Ledesma, o giniginaw ka lang?
Parang maginaw, no?
Si Chef Rosebud may shawl rin.
Ay, ang ganda! Yung altar namin, parang ganyan yung cover.
Ageless elegance naman ang project ni Newcomer of the Year, Carla Avellana.
Ayaw raw ng pudang niya ang BF ni Jeff. Ayawan na rin kaya ang backless na gown na itay?
Ageless beauty rin si Miriam Kembao na itsurang last year lang lumaban sa Miss You in her plunging metallic silver gown. Minimal accessories at incomplete contrast to the very busy Rufa Gutierrez.
Ayan, completes na may silver tips pa.
Mukha siyang well-made at mahal.
Well-made at mahal na origami project.
Pero mahal yun ha?
Okay na rin naman ang red Venus neck gown with peekaboo ni Tony Gonzaga. Tony, tingnan mo ako. Okay ang gown mo. Hoy, look into my eyes. Okay ang suot mo. Ay, ayaw. Speaking of mahal, parang nagmahal ang value ni Paolo Abilino in a retro evening jacket at calm down na poho.
Mas sumarap siya nung naging tatay siya, no?
Eh si Ding Dong Dantes.
Masarap siya at any age.
Maski na shining, shimmering, splendid.
We, best dramatic actor, shining star. Kung hindi kayo ka-level, tumahimik kayo.
Le-level ang Richard Gutierrez in a jacket over a 2-1 shirt at funky tie.
Sige, pwede.
Eh si Gerard Anderson.
Sorry, eat ka pa muna ng more bigas.
Kung tatawid ako, kahit Danita Panera ka sasabay. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin na ang gwapo ni Hayden that night. Ang Perfume King.
Ayaw ni Joel Cruz niyan. Ang Perfume King.
Nangangamoy away ba ito?
Sino mananalo? Ang tailored suit?
O ang understated na hand-painted coat with handkerchief hem with wag nyo ako pansinin please rhinestone and crusted bead necklace?
Ang hirap ng choice, ha? Ang hirap.
Ano sabi ng details sa gown ni Yayo Aguila?
Lace ba ako? O lumot na itim?
Tina Lucena was there in a white dress with a bolero.
Bolero, yung jacket na maliit?
Hindi, si Ariel Bolero.
Uy! Bagong kasal raw sila!
And hindi kami magpo
sapatos at boots.
With her latest boylet on the side. Lord!
Parang hiram lang yung damit.
Parang hiram lang yung boylet. Pwede natin siya i-pray over?
Tumabi-tabi nga kayo dahil magsisilig bromance moments sina Arnel Ignacio at Suzuki.
Walang beggy sa shot na ito.
Gym girl, kung nasan ka man yan, watch and learn. Teka! Arnett at Suzuki, format nga ulit. Uy! Antonia the Snell!
Close na to!
This is Stick! The Big Bang Society!
本当鈴木とアイドル似合うよね。でもね、ジャンはちょっと何
Give me a page! Rampage!
Talagang bongga dahil go tayo sa Shangri-La Makati as Procter & Gamble celebrates their 75th anniversary in the country. Invited tayo sa Procter & Gamble and Kapuso Foundation tie-up event led by GMA Chairman and CEO Atty. Felipe Gozon, GMA Kapuso Foundation Executive Vice President Mel Tiangco, SVP Radio Operations Group Mike Enriquez, Jessica Soho, Vicky Morales, GMA Films President Atty. Annette Gozon Abregar, Joey Abacan, GMA Artist Center Head Ida Henares, AVP for Drama Miss Lilibeth Razonable, GMA Marketing and Productions Inc. President and Chief Operating Officer Lizelle G. Maralag, and SBV for Corporate Services Group Felipe S. Yalong with PNG Executives Global Chairman Mr. Robert McDonald, Asia Group President Ms. Deb Henretta, and Philippine General Manager Mr. Sidik Tetik na dinagsari ng mga Kapuso stars. Eugene Domingo's contract signing with Lamoyan Corporation as DAS Dishwashing Aids endorser held at Lamoyan office last October 18. Secondly, rampa tayo sa Market for PH Cool Dare event last November 13. Sabay segue sa Robitussin Liquid Gel Mall activation sa SM Mall of Asia as consumer experience first-hand quick solbo, characteristic of Robitussin Liquid Gel through trials and samplings. Isama na rin sa listahan ang The Ramp Crossing Style Soiree, a street-style shopping hub at Society Lounge Atrium Building, Makati. Di rin natin palalampasin ang Kiehl's Boutique opening sa SM Mall of Asia. At wag na tayo lumayo for the grand launch of SM Cinema website and SM Cinema e-tickets happened last Wednesday at the second floor IMAX lobby. At dahil malapit na ang Pasko, fly tayo sa lighting of Christmas lights sa Promenade Green Hills. Kasama sina Barbie, Joshua, Jake, and Bea with John Knight and Kuya Germs. Rampa kung rampa for Ino Soto Invitational Gala Show and summons the Muse for his 30th anniversary last November 14 at CCP Complex.